Step into a world where a gentle breeze carries the sweet scents of blossoms and bird song serenades you every morning. Discover a world where automation and convenience merge effortlessly. Ladies and gentlemen, Paradise City. This estate is an oasis of natural wonders with winding trails through ancient woods and colorful gardens located in Karushi, Abuja. With standout facilities such as 24 hours electrification, effective drainage system, recreational facilities, state-of-the-art layout, tech hubs, and so many others. Paradise City is an invitation to invest in the future of growth and prosperity, where the value of your dreams appreciates with time. Welcome to the future right at your fingertips. Welcome to Paradise.